Okay, here both power supplies are disconnected. There's no power supply connected, so we're going to connect the old one. Old power supply, we're just going to connect the motherboard without connecting any peripherals such as hard drives or anything like that. We're just going to connect the motherboard, and then we're going to connect it here in the back. So it's just the old power supply connected to the motherboard. We go in the front, turn on, and as you can see, computer turns on, the green light is on, the fan is spinning, everything is working. Now we're going to shut it down, come back here, disconnect the power from the old power supply, then disconnect the two plugs on the motherboard. One and two. So we're going to set aside the old power supply, and we're going to put this Diablo Tech job, which apparently is defective again. We're going to connect the motherboard, the main connector on the motherboard all the way. Clicks, nice. We're going to leave this out, and we're going to connect the 12 volts rail right here, just like the other power supply was connected. Now we're going to come to the back with the same power cord, and we're going to connect the power. The switch is on the on position, so at this point you should be able to come to the front, hit this button, and the power should power the computer, but it doesn't. We're going to check this button here to see if it's a bad contact maybe on this button. Still nothing. We're going to put it back where it's supposed to be. It's set on 115, and we're going to come up in the front, check again. This power supply is as dead as the first one, and we're going to corroborate that one more time by unplugging again the new power supply, unplugging the two main connectors on the motherboard, number 1 and number 2, setting this power supply aside, coming back to the old power supply, connecting the two connector again on the motherboard, 12 volts in the main one of the motherboard. Okay, we're going to come to the back of this power supply, connect the juice, and now we're going to come to the front, and again this power supply works. The green light turns on, the fan is spinning, and everything is powered up. So I think this reconfirms that the power supply, the second power supply you sent, is still bad.